This is a video of the Tsugami B0326 Mark II CNC Swiss lathe. We're piecing the movements of the machine together because it hasn't been on for a while. This machine does come with a mist collector, a chip conveyor, an Edge Patriot 338 magazine bar feed. It also comes with an MP system, high pressure coolant system. This is the main spindle at 200 RPM. The machine's been off for a while, so we're not running it too quickly right now. This is the light tools running. Sub spindle.
As you're moving that back and forth.
Up and down.
Up and down. Make sure I'm
Okay.
there is. That's that.
Yep.
And I can hold them together and it'll go quickly.
Thank you.
Okay.
This concludes my video of the B0326 Tsugami.